Assalamu alaikum respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today is the fifth video of a rapid revision course of removable partial denture prosthodontics, which is very important for NLE, MDS as well as for final year exams. Now in this video we will discuss about minor connectors. Now we will discuss about definition of minor connector, functions, properties, types and its detail. First we start from minor connector definition. What is minor connector? Minor connectors unite the other parts of partial denture with major connector. I mean all the parts of removable partial denture are connected with major connector with the help of minor connector. Look at this diagram. In red color I highlight the minor connector. In blue there is a major connector. In blue there is a posterior palatal bar major connector, and in red there is a minor connector which connect the major connector with the other parts of removable partial denture, like direct retainer which present on buccal side and indirect retainer which present on lingual side, and there is a denture base. This is the minor connector. Now come to the functions of minor connector. What are the functions of minor connector? To transfer the functional stresses to the abutment teeth, because minor connector transfer the functional stresses to the abutment teeth. Second function is help the prosthesis to function as a unit, mean to work as a unit, because it connects all the component of removable partial denture with major connector. Now when they are connected with each other, they work as a unit. Third, it attach the teeth with metallic part. It attach the teeth with metallic parts with the help of like minor connector direct connect the teeth with the help of by direct retainer, indirect retainer, and also it attach the teeth with metallic parts by help of denture base. These are the function. Next, after functions come to the properties. Which properties should be necessary for minor connectors? Number one, it should be rigid to withstand the forces. Number two, should not change the contours. Third, should be located in embrasure area. Always remember, minor connector should be located in embrasure area. For aesthetic purpose, should make a right angle with a major connector. It should make a right angle with major connectors, mean 90-degree angle. Now come to the design consideration. Minor connector should be rigid so that it can withstand functional stresses. Next, it should be positioned in embrasion area between two teeth. It should be thickest lingually and should taper toward the contact area, mean should narrow toward contact area of the teeth. Next, there should be 5 mm minimum space between the two vertical minor connectors. Remember, MCQ's point is there should be 5 mm minimum space between two vertical minor connectors. Mean between two vertical minor connectors there should be 5 mm minimum space. These should protect the guiding plane of abutment tooth or teeth to facilitate its path of placement. I mean it should facilitate in path of placement. By these should contact the guiding planes of abutment tooth. Next, these should provide enough space for teeth arrangement. Now come to the types of minor connectors. There are 4 types of minor connectors. Number one, on the basis of connection, mean which part minor connector connect with a major connector. On the basis of this, there are 4 types of minor connectors. Number one, minor connectors which connect the direct retainers which present on buccal surface of teeth, mean clasp assembly to the major connector. Second is a minor connector which connect the indirect retainer to the major connector, mean which present on lingual side, which is the reciprocal arm indirect retainer. Third is the connector which join the denture base to the major connector, which join the denture base to the minor connector, to the major connector. Fourth is the connector which act as the approach arm in bar type of clasp. In bar type clasp, it acts as the approaching arm. Now look at this diagram. Here minor connector connect the major connector with direct retainer, which present on buccal side, and indirect retainer, which present on lingual side of teeth, and with the denture base, which have teeth, and which are highlighted by a dark arrow, and also with the it act as a approaching arm in bar type clasp. This is all about. Now come to the detail. First is the minor connector which connect the direct retainer to the major connector. Direct retainer which present on buccal side of teeth, here on molar teeth. Now minor connector which connect the direct retainer to the major connector, design should be rigid and have adequate bulk to withstand functional stresses. Minor connectors should lie interproximally. Remember, minor connector always will be lie in embrasure area, mean interproximally between two teeth. It should be broad buccolingually and thin mesiodistally to help in arranging teeth in proper position. Remember, it should be broad buccolingually, mean buccal and lingually, and thin mesiodistally, mean mesial and distal, to help in arranging teeth in proper position. Minor connector is never placed on convex lingual surface of the tooth. Convex mean concave mean deepest area, and convex mean bulge area, mean minor connector is never placed on convex lingual surface of the tooth. Now come to the second type, minor connector which connect the indirect retainer to the major connector. It should connect at right angle, but the junction should be rounded. It should be designed in such a way that it lies in the embrasure between teeth so as to disguise the bulk. There will be no bulk for patient. Mean patient will not feel the bulk. Third is the minor connector which join the denture base to the major connector. This is the join the denture base. Look at the minor connector which join the denture base, here in dark arrow, and again in there is a acrylic denture base above, which connected by minor connector with a major connector. Last is the minor connector which act as a approach arm in bar clasp design. Here the approaching arm in bar clasp design. Now this is the only minor connector which is non-rigid. Remember, the only minor connector which is non-rigid is the minor connector which act as a approach arm in bar clasp design. It should taper from origin to terminus, mean it should taper, mean slowly become narrow from origin toward terminal end. It should not cross the tissue undercut. It should not cross the tissue undercut. Remember, for MCQs, all minor connectors should be rigid except minor connector which act as approaching arm in bar clasp design. Now, how we make the types of what are the function of minor connector? Minor connector connect the all component of removable Boston denture with major connector. Now the types of major connector we make. Now we make types of major connector. We make type of minor connector on the basis of which component are connected with major connector by help of minor connector. First, minor connector connect the direct retainer. This is the first type. Second type is minor connector connect the indirect retainer with major connector. Third, minor connector connect the denture base with major connector. Fourth, minor connector act as a approaching arm in bar class design. This is all about minor connector. Now, today our topic is finished. Today our topic is finished. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.